After seeing this video, you will never fear mathematics again and you will never ask why should I study maths. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Made Easy for class 6 where NCERT maths for class 6 is covered, and today let us understand why should we study mathematics. Why math? But we will also listen to a story of a great courageous leader and guru whose words has inspired millions of people at their time and also now and will be inspiring for the centuries to come. I am talking about none other than Guru Gobind Singh Ji. And we will today talk about the famous Battle of Chamkaur. To give you a glimpse, it was a time when Mughal dynasty used to rule India and Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb used to wear the throne, and he wanted Guruji to either surrender or to be killed because he didn't like the Guru Parampara to be there in his rule. And a soft fight between Guruji and his men and Mughal dynasty was continuously going on till one fine day when Guruji was residing in a palace of Chamkaur with his 40 men, and they were surrounded by a huge Mughal army. Now guess what, how many men must be there in the Mughal army? Maybe tens, thousands, 10,000s. They were 10 lakh in number. The Guruji and their men were outnumbered by millions. And let me intensify the situation. Guruji were 40 men and they had to fight 10 lakh soldiers to win this war. That means each Sikh man has to fight 25,000 soldiers of Mughal army. Just imagine the intensity of the battle. 25,000 Mughal men. One may be scared by just 25, and there were 25,000 per Sikh man. That was huge. And at this situation, at these kind of situation, what leader does, what leader says becomes history and an inspiration for others. And that we will cover in the next side of the video. Keep watching till the end. Finishing our story, let us complete our topic, why maths? Why should we study maths? But before which, let us ask another question, why do we really study? So I would like to ask you one thing. Do you remember anything what we have studied in class 5? Then you will say, yes sir, we do remember many things we have studied in class 5, like stories we have learned in maths, in English, etc. Then I will ask, do you remember anything you have studied in class 4? Then you will say, yes sir, we do remember a few things what we have studied in class 4. What about class 3? Do you remember what you have studied in class 3? Then you will say, no sir, we don't remember that much about what we have studied in class 3. So why are we studying? Why do we have studied the class 3, the third standard? So you will say, sir, this is the things which has led to the other class. Like I have studied class 3, that has made me to study class 4, and studying class 4 has made me study class 5. So I am climbing steps one after another. So you definitely are climbing steps, but climbing these steps, what are you becoming? You will say, sir, we are becoming good in studying what we are studying. So we are, for example, if we are studying English, we are becoming good in stories, we are becoming good in reading English, we are becoming good in making notes, and we are studying grammar, we are studying vocab and lots of things, and therefore we are getting better in communication, in the language, and therefore day after day, year after year, we are getting acquainted by the language, acquainted, and developing the habit of reading and understanding English. So similarly, when we study maths, we develop a habit of studying mathematics and the benefits that mathematics give, that is useful to us for our lifetime. So what are the benefits of studying mathematics? So number one is problem solving skills. When we study mathematics, we learn to solve problems, and therefore we analyze problem and think accordingly of what is needed, what needs to be solved, and like that. And that is the value, the most important value mathematics gives you. It gives you abilities to solve problems well. That's why the most important reason one must study mathematics is to solve problems, able to think like the way to solve problems. Secondly, it will give you arithmetic skills. What do we mean by arithmetic skills? Is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. I know you have got better in them, but eventually numbers will be everywhere. Numbers are something that will never leave you, whether it will be money management, whether it will be commerce, science, arts, designing, or whatever field you choose, money or numbers will always be there. And therefore getting habitual of numbers, of calculations, will make it easier for you to keep doing them, not be afraid of numbers, not be haunted by the numbers, but be acquainted, be habitual of numbers, right? Now, few virtues that you will gain by solving mathematics regularly is fearlessness. Number one, fearlessness, because when you learn mathematics, when you continuously solve maths, what happens is you consciously develop a mindset that you can solve any problems. You are good in solving problems, and that's where you become fearless, because problems don't haunt you. Then secondly, confidence. I have seen my batchmates, those batchmates that are good in maths only and yet were very confident because they knew maths. Maths has such a value in normal living. Then perseverance. Now what is perseverance? Perseverance is the value of continuing effort even after getting troubled by lots of problems. Like when we solve maths, we do get through the problems where we are not able to solve it out, and yet we continuously think and try to solve that out. And that's where perseverance come into action, and this quality will always be required by you throughout the life, and this value can be developed by studying maths. So maths has to offer you a lot, not only simply calculations and all those things, but these virtues and these skills will make you a complete person in whole. And studying, investing time in studies so much, these values are a prior thing to be developed, and therefore I will ask you to solve mathematics, to learn these skills, these virtues, to be able to continue your life with betterment. Coming back to our story, Guruji and his 40 men were surrounded by 10 lakh Mughal soldiers, the Mughal army of 10 lakh soldiers. Now just imagine the situation that one Sikh man has to fight 25,000 Mughal soldiers. And at that time, what the Guruji said, has inspired millions of people then and now. So, what might he have said? He might have asked to flee, to run, to hide. Obviously not. Otherwise, what would be different? He said, चिड़िया दे नाल बाज लड़ावां, गिद्दड़ नूं मैं शेर बनावां, सवा लख नूं एक लड़ावां ता गोविंद सिंह नाम कहावां. Now let me explain it to you in English. चिड़िया दे नाल बाज लड़ावां means he will make birds fight the eagles. Now just imagine. He is giving motivation by those words. गिद्दड़ नूं मैं शेर बनावां. Now what giddard is, they are jackals. Now jackals are famous for being scared, fighting in groups like that. And giddard, he is making jackals to lions. गिद्दड़ नूं मैं शेर बनावां, सवा लख नूं एक लड़ावां. Now he is making 1.25 lakhs fight 1 sick soldier. सवा लख नूं एक लड़ावां. Now just imagine, that is 5 times what we really needed. At such a moment he is thinking this big. And lastly, ता मैं गोविंद सिंह नाम कहावां. And that's why I have been called Govind Singh. Imagine the situation, the intensity of the battle when death is all around you and he is still able to think this big, 5 times bigger. This is what a leader is. This is how a leader is. And why I have told you this story. What happened after this? You can search in internet. You have all the resources. But why I have told you this story is because I want you to be courageous as well. Am I asking you to be courageous as him? Obviously not. He was a legend. We may become a legend or not, that's a different thing, but we can definitely show courage in our lives, and we can show courage in what we do. When we study mathematics, we will fail many times, because mathematics is such a thing that when you practice, you learn. And please, I am asking you to please show courage in studying maths. Just see how big our leaders has thought in such a terrible times, in such a terrible situation. He had his life risked, but we have nothing risked here. We have only to gain things, and it's just one quality that will help us go through all the problems, all the situations, all the uncomfortable situations, and that's courage. So friends, show courage in studying maths. I have given you enough reasons to study maths, and so let's meet in the next video with another story and another topic to be covered. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like it, please like it, share to your friends and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join in with me in my online tuitions I take, then you can see more information about it in the description below. And again, thanks for watching, and let's catch up in the next